Hi guys, welcome to another video of Minnie C. Today I'm here with my twin butterfly and my unicorn. My unicorn's name is Yoon. This is Butter. And today we're going to do an unboxing video with my box. And now let's see what's inside. Oh, for this video, you gotta hit that like button, hit that bell. For the unboxing is free. 3, 2, 1. You better smash that like button. Now let's get into the video and let's see what we have. Oh, it's a Litebrite. It's the world's smallest toy. Now let's open it and see if I can. And sizzle switch, you turn on like this, and if you want to, you can turn it off. And come on. And then you have this little drawer that's really painful. Well, not that painful. It's painful to get out. You want to be mad because I couldn't get out either. See, you have this little drawer to put your pegs in. And you can have these. Take these blank pages if you want to. And then you can put your pegs in. Wherever you want. Now. And that's how you make it. When you're done, you turn it on and it glows. Wait, let's turn the dark on. Look how cool it looks. That's blue. Okay. Now you can pick your favorite, but you need more pegs if you could buy some. Now this is a butterfly, this is a flower, and this is heart, and whatever I made is a smiley face. I like this toy, and I give it a 10 out of 10. But the pegs, yeah, I'm gonna get the pegs a 1 out of 10. But the whole toy, yeah, a 10 out of 10. You can get this at Big Lots for
$7.99.
$7.99. And yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys.